Okay, children. Today topic is equation of traveling wave. This is the wave is at a x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0. This is at x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0. This wave is existing, or one disturbance is existing at x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0. And this disturbance is moving along the x-axis with a velocity v, and the distance traveled by the wave is L. Now here this is the location of the wave. Here the same peak is traveling L distance from the origin. So how much time is taken? So what is the distance traveled by the wave? X distance. Here the what is the time duration? This is x by v. X by v. Here, so x is the distance traveled by the wave along the x-axis. This is the x traveled by the wave in the x by v interval of time. So why it is taken as distance by velocity, you can get the time value. So the wave function, displacement of the wave function is in terms of x comma t. That means it is varying with respect to x and varying with respect to time. ఈ వేవ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో ఆ వేవ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎక్స్తో మారుతుంది, అంటే డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్తో మారుతుంది, అదేవిధంగా టైంతో కూడా వేరీ అవుతుంది. సో దేర్ఫోర్ దట్ వేవ్ ఫంక్షన్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ y ఈజ్ ద డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద వేవ్ along the y axis is take it as function of x comma t, or f of x is equal to 0, t is equal to t minus x by v. So here y is equal to f of t minus x by v. So function of t minus x by v. So therefore this is a function. This function is depending upon the t value, depending upon the x value. Here at t is equal to 0, the function is existing at the origin after t interval of time. So at t is equal to t instant of time, this is at t is equal to 0. This is at t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0 after t is equal to t interval of time, after t instant of time. Here this wave is displaced x distance with a velocity v. So therefore now the wave function can be written as, in the previous case it is at x is equal to 0. Now it is at x distance. It is at x distance. What is the time difference between these two? Here t minus x by v. So at t is equal to t instant of time, at t is equal to t instant of time, this is the wave function. So the what is the time duration? This first peak this first wave and traveling after some instant of time, it is traveling from the this location to this location. What is the time difference between these two? T minus x by v. So here this y is equal to t minus x by v, f of x t minus x by v, t minus x by v, y is equal to t minus x Here y is equal to a into e to the power of, this is the exponential function. So sometimes the wave function you can we can written as in the exponential a into e to the power of minus t by x by v by t, and y is equal to a into sine of t minus x by v by t. This is the wave function. So therefore this is the represents the traveling progressive wave. Here that means the square in the inside a into sine of ax square minus bt, this is not represent the traveling wave, traveling progressive wave. X square minus v square by t, x square minus v square, if it is a into sine of x square minus v square t square, it is not a represents the progressive wave. So if the wave function is represents with f of in terms of t comma x, that is the progressive wave representation function of t comma x. If the wave function is function of x comma t or t comma x, that is the what a progressive wave function. If it is moving along the positive x-axis direction, if the wave is, in the previous case wave is like this, if it is moving along the positive x-axis direction, here the wave function is representing y is equal to f of t minus x by v. If it is traveling along the negative x-axis direction like this, traveling along the negative x-axis direction, the wave function, instead of here minus is there, now instead of minus you can take it as plus. So therefore this is the, if function of t plus x by v, this is the wave function, this wave is moving along the negative x-axis direction. Or generally the wave function can be written as a into sine of omega t minus kx. This is moving along the positive x-axis direction. A into sine of omega t plus kx, this is the moving along the negative x-axis direction. Here what is the a? A is amplitude, omega is angular frequency, and t is the time period, and k is the propagation constant of the medium, that can be written as 2 pi by lambda. Here y is equal to, so the another form of the wave function a into sine of instead of omega 2 pi by t is there. K is equal to 2 pi by lambda substituting here, omega t minus k into x. So here the 2 pi by lambda is common, 2 pi by lambda common. Here lambda into t by t minus x. Here the 2 pi by lambda common. Then there is no, here the 2 pi is there, but lambda is not there. So this lambda is in the denominator. You can written in the numerator here. So therefore 2 pi is common, lambda is common, 2 pi by lambda is common, 2 pi by lambda into lambda t by t minus x. Here the 1 by t is equal to 1 by t lambda by t. Lambda by t is nothing but a velocity. Lambda by t is nothing but a velocity. Why? Because here v is equal to nu into lambda. Here nu is equal to 1 by t. 1 by t into lambda. So therefore lambda by t take it as v. So therefore this is the another form of the progressive wave in a medium